we are going to solve this equation, multi-step equation. We look to simplify first by distributing and combining like terms. Whenever I see parentheses with a sum or a difference in between and a number outside, I know I'm going to need to distribute. So one other thing is that for any variable that doesn't have a coefficient, we're going to put in a 1. Okay, so we can bring the negative 1g down. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times, oops, I forgot my 1g. 2 times 1g is 2g. Now we're going to distribute this negative 4. Negative 4 times 1g is negative 4g. And negative 4 times plus 1 just gives us minus 4. That's one little issue that we could have here is this. I guess you could say that you could kind of, I'm skipping kind of a step. I would distribute that to the 1. I bring down the plus, and then negative 4 times positive 1 would be negative 4. But adding a negative is the same as subtracting. Subtracting a positive. So I just think of it like that. I just think negative times positive is, I put the minus. So anyway, now after we distribute, hopefully we got all the signs correct, and we are looking to combine like terms. So I'm going to underline the like term, and I always underline it with its sign, with its direction. So this is plus 2j. See, the plus goes with it. It's always the operation or sign to the left that goes with that term. So now when I combine the negative 1g and the plus 2g, a simpler way to write that would just be positive 1g. And we can bring down the plus 6. Bring down the negative 4g minus 4. Now, both sides of this equation are simplified. That means there's nothing left to distribute. There's no like terms to combine. So now we're ready to start isolating the variable using inverse operations. We're going to get rid of one of those variable terms because I don't like having them on each side. I like having them only on one side. So I'm going to add 4g because we get rid of terms by addition or subtraction. Okay, so that gives us 5g plus 6 equals negative 4. Bring down that minus with a 4 because this really is 0. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So now we have our variable on one side, and I'm going to get rid of that plus 6, that extra term, by subtracting 6. That cancels. I get 5g equals negative 10. And then I'm going to divide by 5, and I get g equals negative 2.